Like I said, I bought solar because I want to save money, and the first month, I mean, our electric bill went to zero, and it stayed at zero the first year. It was actually, end of the year, it was minus $9. Into the second year was minus $94. This past year was minus $254. So solar has not only paid for my electric car driving, it paid for the well, we have a well here, and my shop, plus the air conditioning in the house. All of it's paid for, plus I have a credit of $254 at the electric company. So yeah, solar has really benefited us. Well, one thing you find out once you get solar is you don't worry about turning the air conditioner off, and you use it more. In other words, all of a sudden you're not concerned with leaving the lights on, or turning the air conditioner on, or turning the air conditioner down, because it's all covered with solar. Now, what Matt took, and we actually designed the system because I told him we were going to get an electric car. And so we actually bumped the system up about 10% to cover the electric car, and it's worked out perfect. Well, I've actually recommended peak power to several people, and in our neighborhood, I think there's 40 homes here, and I think 14 of them have solar. I'd recommend they all go to solar, just because of the money it saves. My solar will completely pay for itself. I'm right on track, as Matt told me. For 4.5 years, it'll be completely paid for. After that, it's all free electricity for the next roughly 20 years.